Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Google app or Chrome on your Realme and making sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures you delete the right history. Once you tap your profile icon, choose Search History or Manage your Google account, because the deletion controls live in My Activity. Make sure network sync is allowed so changes apply to your cloud record. Now you're ready to move into the Activity Manager and choose items to remove. Once in My Activity, use the filter controls to narrow results by date and product, because deleting broadly can remove things you want to keep. Tap individual entries to delete single searches, or use the three-dot menu to delete by date range or all time. Choosing advanced filters helps when you only want Chrome or web and app activity gone. Make sure to confirm each prompt. If you prefer ongoing maintenance, enable Auto Delete to remove older history automatically. Finish by confirming deletion prompts and then give Google time to sync the change across devices. This is why you may still briefly see entries. If items reappear, make sure Chrome's sync and web and app activity are not re-adding data. Disable them temporarily and repeat the delete. When things go wrong, sign out of the Google account on the Realme, clear the app cache in Settings, and repeat the deletion steps to force a fresh sync and permanent removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.